All right, today we got this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, single wide off of Jefferson Avenue in Newport News, Virginia at the Freedom Mobile Home Park. So coming in through the front door here, we are greeted with our living room and kitchen areas. We got vinyl sheet flooring in the living room and hallway. Checking out the first bedroom here. There is a window that's been replaced in here. However, there are some soft spots in the floor that would need to be addressed in this particular room. It's back into our kitchen area here. We got our cabinets. Got our tile on the floor here in this area as well. All this flooring and everything and the paint was done about 3 years ago when I first renovated it. This is back up again for sale again because it was on payments, but the person who is here is no longer in the property. Here is the hallway. Vinyl sheet flooring. Take you into the primary bedroom. A little bit more spacious than the other bedroom. Now there is one thing that still needs to be addressed in this bedroom. As you can see right there on the floor, that rectangular area, it is a hole in the floor that has to be replaced. So the subfloor has to be patched up right where you see that rectangular area. And we're going over here to the bathroom, which does have a stackable washer and dryer unit installed already. So that's one perk here in the bathroom. We got a heater installed on the wall there. That's the sink area. Out back, we got access to your own shed. You have a fenced-in backyard area. So very rare, but you have a fenced-in backyard area and access to your own shed unit in the back. All right, back out here into the living room. You can see we got a pass-through through the kitchen. Previous owner did leave a window AC unit here. There's a heating unit right there in the corner. Here's the exterior of the home. So once again, if you guys are interested, give me a phone call at this number. Do know that you have to be approved by the park before buying this home. Talk to you later.